fun event coming up tomorrow night that is actually going to last through the rest of January and even into the beginning of February, a parade of planets. This is going to occur in the southeast sky shortly after sunset, which is coming up on 5 o'clock. So, say 5 to 5:30, you go outside. And this one's really cool because of the way that these are lined up in this way along the horizon here, starting with Mars. There's Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Venus, and Saturn. And the sun is actually, the Earth is actually traveling right now between the sun and Mars, which will give us an exceptional look at that planet in particular. The only caveat here, you're not going to be able to see all of these with the naked eye. You will need strong binoculars or a telescope to see both Uranus and Neptune. But again, this is going to be visible not just tomorrow night, but it looks like the weather is going to work out in our favor. Here we are tomorrow afternoon, just a few clouds passing through the area, mostly clear skies. Here we are at 5 o'clock, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Again, just a few passing clouds should not obscure this all that much. Again, you're looking off into the southeast direction, but it'll be chilly out there, so make sure to bundle up. Not a lot going on weather-wise across the country right now. Weak Clipper system moving from the, Great Lakes, upper Midwest region in through the Central Plains and into the Rockies. Couple of snow showers along with that system. We just had a cold front come through our area, which is going to set the temperatures back a little bit for Saturday. Again, only getting up to around 30 degrees. We have abundant sunshine and clear skies. As we head into Sunday, that clipper approaches the northeast. Check this out. Maybe a shower of the rain variety grazing the shoreline. The further inland you get, though, that could be a snow shower with that front passing through, and then we're going to see skies clearing out for your Monday. But outside of that shower chance, it is a very quiet pattern here, and I'm going to explain why. We have something called zonal flow, a very flat jet stream. Any storms that come through are weak. We just saw that, and they're fairly fast moving. We saw that as well. Temperatures generally seasonable, not too cold, not too high. Kind of can see that is the jet stream, after all, the dividing line between the colder and warmer air masses. So we're pretty average for our temperatures. And then we look off to the west next week. Eventually, that zonal flow is going to go away, and we're going to go back to what we call meridional flow, which is more of a north to south, big dips and rises in the jet stream here. This will cause a temperature roller coaster. We're actually going to get in on this colder air next week, followed by a bit of a warm-up here, and that's what comes along with this type of jet stream pattern here. It also means storms will move slower. They have a chance to get blocked up a little bit, and that's something we look for in the East Coast this time of year, that we would need to have a real big snowstorm. You think back to Sunday night, and yes, that was the biggest snow that we had all season long. However, it could have been so much bigger if we had had some sort of blocking feature, and we just did not have that. So that storm was, even though a pretty potent storm, it sped right through and was gone by early Monday morning. All right, so take a look at these temperature trends here. This graphic will go along with what type of flow we have. We've got an average flow, again, that flat jet stream, then the big waves in the jet stream, so a big dip back to freezing cold weather later next week, and then we should rise up into the first week of February. 12 tonight here in the city, another very cold night, but with light winds. 30 tomorrow, ample sunshine, winds shifting to the west. And as we look at your 7-day, again, warming up on Sunday, 40 degrees, a chance of a rain or snow shower. 38 Monday, again, right around 40, seasonable weather through midweek. And then we get that big cold snap, and we're going to return to what we dealt with in the freezer earlier this week.